Looks like tariffs are back on, boys. So let's go into the charts and make a plan. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is my weekly updates for Bitcoin. Now that tariffs are back on, I do have some um ideas on how to trade Bitcoin this week. Before we get into the charts, we have to check the news. So we have FOMC on Wednesday and unemployment claims for Thursday. So yesterday was it was a little bit volatile because of the tariff news, but there were no other news. Today there's no red folder as well. Hold on, let's see. So tariffs, we got 10% of EU, and we got 35% Bangladesh, Cambodia, a bunch of tariffs, and then 30% on South Africa, 25% on Malaysia and Kazakhstan. President Trump to impose 25 tariffs, percent tariffs on Japan and South Korea. And I think there's a bunch more, but yeah, those were some of the tariff news last night. And we did get a, I mean, we're not going to drop like really fast, right? We did have a slow bleed on the open because there was no news, and then like there was no follow up on this buys right here. So people from the weekend who position right here probably just took profits. Now this was all weekend price action leading into Monday, and then Monday just boom sell off, wipe everyone out here, and we are bouncing a little bit from my previous level that I gave you guys from the previous video. So those were some of the tariffs news and reaction. Indices also had their um, you know pullback, and it was a very choppy price action for Nasdaq and S&P, in basically indices, and it's kind of nice though that we didn't have like a massive drop when Trump announced the news, like unlike the last time when it would just went straight down and down, take a massive sell off. We did bounce from my level also here. We have port control 0.5, some sell sides here, so everyone on this level, every liquidity here was taken out before the move up. But I got chopped here last night. I wasn't able to trade Nasdaq here because it was pretty late for me, and I just went asleep. So we bounced from the point 0.6, a golden pocket. Okay, so that was my plan for Nasdaq last night, and it did play out, but I was not able to trade here, and I was chopped around at view up. So let's look at Bitcoin. Let's actually look at stocks. Oh, so everyone's bleeding a little bit. What about crypto? Yep, it's probably because of the tariff news. Let's look at the odds. Yeah, every odds is also bleeding a little bit, I would say. And yeah, so this is my first plan for Bitcoin. I still think like this level is actually really nice because we have golden pocket here, and we have some liquidity like this one and this one. We have some wicks down there, and we also have the previous. Oh no, I mean the monthly open. So this has to be a strong level, and I believe 107, 100. We do have some single prints down there. Let me actually see. Yeah, we do have one single print right here, another one right here at the uh OTE, and another one right down there. So you gotta be careful at this level because we might just if we don't see a bounce at this level or a strong swing failure pattern SFP, don't catch knives. Wait for a proper market structure shift for a breaker before going into a long, because you might just come down and wipe all these single prints out, right? But yeah, this was my plan. Last night I didn't long here. Oh, I think I long here, but I got stopped out and I just went to sleep because I thought that this was like the move already, and I had like my stop loss. I moved my stop loss when we move like that. I moved my stop loss not into break even, but like half of my risk. But I guess I got stop out and move and then wipe everyone out again before moving up. But we're still here at view up right now. I'm not sure if we're gonna go up because I haven't changed market structure right here. So I am still not long. I'm just waiting to see if we do hit this level tonight that they open. My initial plan last night was to long here because there were some poor lows right there. And we did take the those poor lows. If you can see this poor low right there. I mean not this one. Poor low right there, it got taken out. Another poor low got taken out as well, and then boom before moving up. So poor lows across the board were taken, and we might actually pump from here. Also, the CMA gap has been filled. So, but you just have to watch out for the single prints if it doesn't go up right. So we might hit that single print. Now, looking at the daily time frame, yeah, it looks like she wants to come down, right? Because we rejected from this level. It tried like 3 times already, like one, two, three, four times already, and it just couldn't break out. So looking at the higher time frame, we do might if we don't hold on my levels like the monthly open that level, if we don't hold that, then we're probably gonna come lower into these levels pretty sweet low and fill this fair value gap or even down here at the previous month low, right? So um pretty simple idea for me on Bitcoin. 2 boxes right now. And for altcoins, I'm not touching anything because they're just consolidating at this highs. Not touching anything yet. I want to see a proper price action or breakout from Bitcoin before hint for longing any altcoins. So that is it for this video. Watch out for tariff news. Uh we only have FOMC this week on unemployment claims, but we do have the crypto week for July 14 and 18, CBDC, Clarity Act, Genius Act. I hope this gives us a little bit of volatility. We also have institution just keeps on buying. And yeah, that's it. Very, very straightforward plan. Easy. Levels are marked out. So set some alerts and just wait for the price to come to our levels. Because right now looks like breakout has been canceled, right? Oh, let's look at the weekly. I mean, it's not that bad, to be honest. This could be just like the bear trap going into this golden pocket, point 0.5. Like, let everyone think that we're coming down, right? Like, bear trap, then even like at the OTE, we could still bullish, I think, in my opinion, if we come all the way down to the point 0.7, like massive drop, and then quick reversal V shape heading straight to the breakout, right? So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.